Modern operations is about the ability of an IT organization to provide an available, reliable, secure environment for business. And the reason that is so important is because that's where businesses actually get the value out of their IT investment. We oftentimes will talk to clients who've made multi-million dollar investments in IT systems. And if you make those kinds of investments in IT systems, but they're not online, if they're not available when people need them, or if they've been disrupted by ransomware, you don't actually get the value out of your IT investment. In a modern IT environment, the thing that really differentiates an organization is its data. Applying AI to that data or applying your ability to get value out of that data is where you get to differentiate as a business. But in order to do that, you need to make sure that it's available, reliable, and secure. Modern operations really takes that concept of availability, reliability, and security and puts some parameters around it. You need to think about your platform solution and be sure that you have a platform that lets the business apps run in an accessible way that has access to that data. You need to think about your network and how that data is connected to the rest of the organization or connected to consumers that need that information in order to make choices. And all of that has to be secure. Both your platform and your network have to provide a secure environment where you can't be disrupted by an actor who is trying to bring down your business or limit your profitability or your options. We take all of that and we encircle it with visibility. Visibility is really the thing that pulls together the value of all of that IT operations. It lets you see what's going on in your environment. It lets you understand where you might want to make a change. It lets you understand when there might be an impending issue or event, and it lets you see when there are threat actors inside of your environment. Pulling all that together and putting it in one comprehensive place where it can be understood by a variety of stakeholders is really the core of visibility. Visibility also has one key stakeholder, which is automation. Automation takes that visibility information and allows you to act automatically in order to adapt your environment on the fly or adapt your environment to be able to respond to business changes or to respond to security threats that may have happened, to respond to lack of availability or reliability. That automation is a required part of delivering reliability, availability, and security. It's also the piece that allows you to be agile as a business without making your environment fragile. So if you pull all of these things together, modern operations really provides a holistic framework that allows you to support your business functions in a way that adapts to the environment and adapts to the challenges that the marketplace presents.